Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Following that, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!